Hello, Jane Cleland here. How does milieu differ from setting? The way to think about it is that setting is one element of this thing called milieu. Milieu refers to the environment, but it is bigger than mere geography or place or time, era. It includes everything that makes one place distinctive from another place. It includes the language, the food, any geographic elements that lead to hard living or easy living. And it's about how the people feel when they're in this milieu. Is it tranquil? Is it jiving? Is it exciting? Is it serene? All of that contributes to milieu. Achieving a clear milieu is one of the elements that leads to this immersive experience that readers love. So think about not just your setting, the time, the place, but everything broader, everything that contributes to the environment in which your people find themselves. I know you can do it. I would be very appreciative if you would order or pre-order, if you're seeing this before August 2025, Beat the Bots, my new book on the craft of writing. I think you'll find it incredibly useful. It's gotten great early reviews. If you go to my website, janecleland.com/books/beatthebots, you'll find your ordering options there. The subtitle is How to Survive and Thrive in the Age of AI. Thank you so much. And if this tip had value for you, please do like it, share it, subscribe to the channel. That opens up other features of these videos that lets us make them even more valuable for you. Thank you.